In this episode we're going to look at changing the side indicator bulbs, mainly for the fact that I'm not a massive fan of how they look like that. So we have gone with some blacked out versions. They're also LEDs, so they're going to be going on the car now. So these are quite easy to get out. You basically just need some form of tool to be able to prise behind. I've got a plastic trim tool, so get in behind the lamp, push it forward and pull it out. As you can see, this hasn't been off pretty much since we've owned the car, but again, twist that out and there's your indicator bulb in case that ends up going wrong. With the new ones, lens and the light there, so it's out of the way. What I will do is just give this a quick wipe, because if again while it's off I might as well. So I will be back with you guys in a moment. So now it's clean, we can get ready to put the new unit in. I'm going to remove the clear. The way that this works is all you do is you plug that into where the indicator would go, feed that down, put the back end in first, clip the front in, and it's literally as simple as that. So there's one. We'll go over to the other side now, we'll get that off, I'll clean it on camera and we will get it sorted. So let me get the other new one. Head over. So again, trim tool, get in behind it, pop it out, twist the bulb out, so that's sorted. I'm going to leave that in while I quickly spray some of this on just to get this clean. Now all of the grime is out. Again, get our new bulb, take the front cover off, hopefully in one piece. Pull the bulb out, plug the wire in to where the bulb goes. The other one seemed to go in a lot easier than what that one did. Feed that down there. Again, back in first, pushed in, and should be able to test the bulbs now. And as you can see, they are now LEDs and they've also got the swooping feature. So literally as simple as that, a quick 5-minute fix, quick 5-minute upgrade. They're not too expensive to buy. Again, anyone want obviously the link to it, put a comment in the comment section and we'll sort it out. Well, yeah, that's it for this episode. Again, please, as much as you can, subscribe. Get anyone that you know that if you like the content, get them to subscribe as well. We're pushing close to 50 now, so we're getting there. All the help and support that you guys can give us. And if you're still in the video, what I will do is give you a preview of the next episode to come. So as you can see, same again, darkened out version of the high level brake light, as these bulbs on this side are gone. But yes, I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Had to get a bit of a view of it in the dark, not too dark with the street lights, but thanks again for watching the video, guys. Appreciate the help. Please subscribe.